Hello student, I am Dr. B.K. Varum from Medco Point Patna, and the today class is related to human heart. The in human heart, this is the double heart circuit. In human there is a 4-chamber heart, and heart is muscular, and it is a 4-chamber, that is right auricle, left auricle, and right ventricle, left ventricle. So the right auricles receive the blood from the superior vena cava, inferior vena cava, and coronary sinus. So there is a 3 opening in right auricle, and it receives the deoxygenated blood, impure blood, and left auricle, that is the 4 opening from the pulmonary vein. So it receives the oxygenated blood, and the right opening open into the right auricle, open into the left auricle with the help of right atrioventricular aperture, and left auricle open into the left ventricle by the left atrioventricular aperture, and these are guarded by the tricuspid valve, and these are guarded by the mitral या bicuspid valve, and blood flow through the left right ventricle to the lung, and the left ventricle to the body. So the supply of deoxygenated blood to the lung and supply of oxygenated blood to the body, and again body transfer the impure blood to the superior vena cava, coronary sinus, and inferior vena cava. Coronary sinus is a vein related to the heart, and superior inferior vena cava is the large vein which collects the superior part of the body and inferior part of body and open into the right auricle. And lung, this is the, it consists pure blood open into the left auricle. So this type of circulation is the double heart circuit, and there is a valve, that is the right auricle, left auricle, and left auricle, left ventricles. So there is a tricuspid valve and there is a bicuspid valve, and semilunar valve is present, that is also called pulmonary valve and aortic valve, collectively called semilunar valve. So aortic and pulmonary valve is semilunar valve, and tricuspid and bicuspid valve is called AV valve. So there is a 4 total number of valve present in this, and there is a Eustachian and Thevesian valve also present in the right auricle. So the double heart circuit means the right auricle open into the right ventricle, and then with the help of tricuspid valve and right ventricles goes to the lung with the help of pulmonary artery with the help of pulmonary valve, and then lung open into the left auricle with the pulmonary vein, and left auricle to left ventricles guarded by the bicuspid valve or mitral valve, and then left ventricles to the body with the help of aorta, dorsal aorta, with the help of aortic valve, and then goes to the body, and again body consists deoxygenated blood open into the right auricle. So this type of circuit is called double heart circuit, and this is called SA node. So SA node and AV node, there is a cardiac musculature, and it generates a action potential around 70 to 75 per minute. So the heart beat is also in human being 70 to 75, and this is auto excitability because it generates itself action potential. So SA node is also called pacemaker, and AV node is also called pace setter. So the transmission of impulse from SA node to AV node. So SA node present at the right coronal wall of atria, and AV node present at the left coronal wall of the atria near the atrioventricular septum, and this is bundle of fish, and this is bundle branch, right side and left side, and this is Purkinje fiber and enter into the ventricle in papillary muscle, and this is called cardi tendon. It is responsible for opening and closing of valve, and this is called columni carni. So These SA node and AV node, that is pacemaker SA node and pacemaker setter AV node, and it generates the impulse. So it is called pacemaker and goes to the bundle of His, then bundle branch, and it is responsible for contraction of ventricle. So the ECG is also depend upon the SA node, AV node and bundle of His and contraction of ventricle, contraction of atria, relaxation of ventricle, relaxation of atria. So the ECG, that is called PQRST wave. And one is cardiac cycle. So what is cardiac cycle time? So because 75 times beat in 1 minute, that is the 60 second. So 1 beat takes 60 by 75 and that is around 0.8 second. So the cardiac cycle time is 0.8 second. So the cardiac cycle time depend upon the heart rate and it is inversely proportional to the heart rate. So the cardiac cycle time means 60 by heart rate. If heart rate is increased, cardiac cycle time is decreases. So the cardiac cycle time is equal to 60 by heart rate. If heart rate is 100, then 60 by 100, that is 0.6. If heart rate is 75, then cardiac cycle time is 0.8. So this 0.8 second is called cardiac cycle time, and it is divided into 3 parts. First part is called joint diastole. That means all the atrial chamber and ventricular chamber, that is 4 chamber, are all in relaxed state. So this is called joint diastole or complete cardiac diastole. And 0.1 second is atrial systole, that is the starting of atria contraction. And 0.3 second is ventricular systole. 70% blood filling during the joint diastole, complete cardiac diastole, and 30% filling during the systolic condition, that is the atrial systole. And this is the stroke volume. So what is a stroke volume? So a stroke volume means the volume of blood pumped by the both ventricles in 1 beat, and it is around 70 ml. So this is 70 ml and blood goes to the lung and body. So 1 beat means a stroke volume means total 70 ml blood. So the stroke volume multiplied with the heart rate is called cardiac output or cardiac minute volume. So cardiac minute volume means heart rate, that is around 70-75, average 72, and multiplied with the stroke volume, that is 70 ml. So around 5 liter per minute is the cardiac output. And it is also determined in the respiratory system with the fixed principle, O2 method and CO2 method. So cardiac output is 5 liter per minute. And this cardiac cycle is divided into the 3 parts: joint diastole, atrial systole and ventricular systole. And there is a production of 2 types of sound, that is love and dub. So love is produced at the beginning of ventricular systole, and dub is produced at the end of ventricular systole. So there is a 2 types of heart sound: love heart sound, that is first heart sound, and love is produced due to the closure of these valves, tricuspid and bicuspid at a time, and dub is produced due to the closure of these valve, that is semilunar valve. So heart sound is always produced due to closing of valve, not due to opening of valve. So the first heart sound is produced due to closing of bicuspid tricuspid valve. That means the whole blood transfer from auricle to ventricle, and after that contraction of ventricle, this blood flow into the lung and body. So due to closing of semilunar valve, that is aortic valve and pulmonary valve, there is a production of second heart sound, that is called dub. So love and dub is listened by the stethoscope given by the Dr. Laennec. And what is isovolumetric contraction? So the closing of duration between closing of tricuspid bicuspid valve and opening of semilunar valve. It's called isovolumetric systole or isovolumetric contraction. And isovolumetric diastole or isovolumetric relaxation, that is duration between closing of semilunar valve and opening of tricuspid and bicuspid valve. So this is isovolumetric relaxation, isovolumetric, that is diastole. So these are the cardiac cycle time, SA node and AV node, and this is the human heart is surrounded by that is the layer, that is double membrane layer, that is called pericardium, and filled with the fluid, that is the pericardial fluid, in act as a shock absorber. So the fluid present in heart is pericardial fluid, and human heart is the closed type of circulatory system. Human, annelids, these are the closed type of circulatory system. Mammalia, birds, reptiles, that is the closed type. But an open type circulatory system present in arthropod, mollusca, echinodermate, and hemichordate. So these are the closed type of circulatory system. Closed means there is a presence of artery, vein, capillary. So blood flow through the blood vessel. And open type means blood is not flow with the help of blood vessel. Blood flow with the help of sinus or space. So this is the open type of closed system. But human being, there is a well developed closed type of circulatory system present. Thank you.